Hello there, it's Mike from HobbyPrint. If you've ordered a Workforce WF-7310 from us with a CISS already fitted, I just want to take you through how to get it assembled so that you're good to go. You'll receive the CISS in a box and a printer with some tubes coming out. So we're going to take the box off. Just pop the box down there. You will see that we fitted the cartridges for you. We've also fitted the T-bar, the tube bar, and I'll just swing the camera over to show you a good shot inside, and you can see everything is fitted and you're good to go. So you don't need to do anything in there. So what do you need to do? All you would do is unpack your box, pull the ink tank out, and then I'm going to turn the printer on the side just so you can see what I'm doing. Here we have a tank clamp and here we have a tube clamp. All you would do is make sure that you've got a nice clear routing, as you see there with the tubes, they're running well. So you bring off of that up and you can see where it locates on the back here on these two lugs. On the two lugs at the back, you just slide it up, feel it locate, and that's it. That's the ink tank installed. You'll bring your tubes over and lock your clip. That's that installed. One other thing to do, you have on the side here, you've got an ink shut off. We will have closed that before we shipped it. You would just wheel that up just so that you've got ink flowing through. So at that point you're nearly ready to go. You have here some small, and I'm going to turn that a bit more so that you can see it a little bit clearer. Here, you've got three bungs. At the back you've got a primary bung, you've got a filling bung. When you're travelling, this is correct. When you want to print, you pull out the stoppers out of the air port, the port where the air comes in, so that the ink can circulate. And that's it, you're good to go. As I say, I'm just going to take you through when you want to fill using one of our bottles. Hopefully you're using one of our bottles. All you do is unscrew there and you pull your bung out here and offer up and squeeze it in. I would say be careful when you're pulling that bung out there. You may get a splash of ink. And that really is all you need to do. You'd close up your lid, turn it round, I want to point out this actuator. I'm going to bring the lid down a bit so you can see it. It's a piece of tube that we've put over the bar. We've extended the actuator purely to accommodate the tube holder. So it's showing error. Close the printer cover. There we go. So watch for that error light and you're good to go. All I'm going to do, let's print a nozzle test. Printhead nozzle check. Okay. Print. As simple as that. And that's what you'll get. Now, it doesn't always happen that it's going to work like that for you. Sometimes, and I can't explain why, I don't think anybody could tell you why, you may have to do a head clean or two just to pull ink through. So if you don't get a good pattern, or in some instances, if you get nothing printed on the page at all, you will go into the menu, home, but it's going to make me close the printer cover. So everything's good on that. Let's come back to home. You would navigate through to maintenance. Okay. You would come down, locate print head cleaning, and you'd set it going, and you'd do a couple of print head cleans, do a nozzle check, and you should be fine. Another thing to remember is you've got a battery here and you've got a button. Oh, tried to bite me. I didn't do that, the printer decided to do that. Probably I did actually, opening the lid. But we're wanting to, when it says that a cartridge isn't recognised, it's just terminology. What it's saying is it's ready to be reset. You've got a white button here. All you would do is hold that in from anything from 5 to 15 seconds, and that will reset the ink levels and you're good to go. Now I'm going to again lean the camera in so that you can see that button. It's hidden behind the tubes. It's just here. Just there. So, as I say, it would park up here, hold the button in, levels reset, and you're off again and you're printing. Other than that, if you've got any issues at all, contact us. In every printer, we put our contact details in a way that you can see them, either by email or telephone. We're one of those companies that actually answer the phone for 10 hours a day. So we want to be here to help you. Please, just give us a call and we can probably get you up and running instantly.